adventurers, I hope you and your families had a fantastic Easter weekend. Okay, and I just want to say a big thank you for all the amazing work that you are doing. Okay, so this week we're going to follow a little bit of a routine. Okay, so your first activity of the day will be phonics. Okay, your second activity of the day will be maths. And then your third activity of the day will be related to a theme. And this week we are doing a supermarket theme. Okay, so I hope you enjoy your activities. So today it is Tuesday and let's have a look at what we're going to do. Okay, so our phonic for today is this. Okay, so what two letters can we see? We can see a O and a A. Okay, so these two letters, when they are put together for our phonics, they are O. O. Can we say that? O. Okay? Okay, so let's have a look if we can recognise the phonic O. Okay, so how many O's? Okay, so let's have a look at how many O sounds we can see. So who can tell me the answer? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. So there are 4 O sounds. Okay, so a O and a A. O. Okay, fantastic. Now, adventurers, it's very important that we can recognise what this phonic sounds look like. Okay, so when we're reading, we know that this is the O phonic sound, okay? Okay, so let's have a look at the different pictures and can you tell me which has the O sound in? Okay, so what is this? What is this picture of? Okay, so it is a road. Can we say road? So we've got a R, O, D. Okay, so this has the O sound in, as you can see just here. Okay, now what is this picture? Okay, so this is a coat. Can we hear the O sound in coat? Yes, we can. So we've got K-O-T, coat. And what is this? It is a bar of soap. Can we say soap? Okay, and can you hear the O sound in soap? We've got O. Yes, so we have it in that one as well. Okay, and what do we have here? Okay, so this is a book. Now, can we hear the O sound in book? No. So we've got B, O, K, book. Okay, and last one, what is this? Okay, so this is a boat. Can we hear the O sound in boat? So we've got B, O, T. Yes, fantastic. So 4 of our pictures had O sounds in. Okay, now I'm going to read you a little story and I want you to listen very carefully and I want you to try and think how many O sounds you could hear. Okay, so are we listening? Oakley the toad. Oakley the toad had oats and milk for his lunch yesterday. Today he moaned and groaned when his mum said, oats and milk, I shall start them soaking. No, Mum, he said, can I have some toast? We don't have a loaf for toast. toast, Mum said. But we have a toaster to toast, he croaked. I can cook a roast, Mum croaked. I like a roast, Oakley said. Can I tell my pals Tom the Stoat and May the Goat? Okay, so as you can see, sailors, there are a lot of O sounds in this story. Now, can anybody tell me how many are in total? Okay, so I think that there are 18 O sounds in this story. Did anybody get the same? Now, this is our first activity for today. So I want you to have a think, and I want you to think about something that has the sound O in. Okay, so we've looked at some words that have O in. So there's coat, boat, float. Okay, so there's lots and lots of different ones. And once you have chosen your word, I want you to draw the picture of it. So I want you to do your very best drawing and draw the picture of the word you are thinking of and colour it in. And then I want you to write what it is. So what is its name? Now it's time to do this activity. So here we have some pictures of different things. Okay, and what I want you to do is I want you to write the picture's name. Okay, and some of these pictures have O in, but some of these pictures don't have O in. Okay, so I want you to think about your phonics and your letter sounds, and I want you to find the pictures which have the phonics O in. Okay, so let me help you. Okay, so here we have a picture of a coat. Okay, so once you know what the picture is, I want you to sound out its letters. So here we have coat. So it would be K-O-T, coat. Okay, so this picture has the O sound. Okay, so I wrote its missing letters. Okay, and I want you to do this for each of the different pictures. Okay, so here we have the picture that is right. Okay, because the sum is right. 1 add 2 is 3. Now, does right have the phonics O in? Okay, I'll let you decide. Here, what is this picture? Okay, so here the boy has fallen over and has hurt his knee. Okay, so he is in pain. Now, does pain have the phonics O in? Okay, and here we have a picture of the moon. Okay, so I want you to sound the word moon out, and I want you to decide if it has the phonics O in. Here we have a boat. Okay, so again, let's sound out boat. So boat. Okay, and decide if boat has the phonic O in. Okay, and here we have a picture of soil. Okay, so I want you to sound out the word soil, and I want you to decide if it has the phonic O in. Okay, and once you have chosen which pictures have the phonic O in, okay, and some of them will, some of them won't, I want you to colour in the pictures that have the phonic O in. Okay, but only colour in that picture. So if the picture has the phonic O in, colour it in. If it has a different phonic in the middle, then don't colour it in. Okay, now let's move on to our maths activity. So first, let's have a look at some shapes. Okay, so here is a recap of some shapes, and it shows you the shapes in everyday items. So things that you might find in your house, in the supermarket, in school. Okay, so who can tell me what shape this is? Okay, so this is a circle, and as you can clock is a circle, and a CD disc is a circle. Who can tell me what shape this is? Okay, so rectangles, so we've got rulers and envelopes that are rectangles. And what shape is this? Okay, so we have a square. Okay, so chocolate can sometimes be the shape of a square, and windows are a shape of a square. And what shape is this one? Okay, fantastic. So this is an oval. And we've got a mirror and a jewel that are oval shapes. And what shape is this? Fantastic, triangle. Okay, so we've got a coat hanger that is the shape of a triangle. And okay, so for example, for rectangle, Miss Katie has a book which is a rectangle and it is pink. So I would write the word book and then I will colour the rectangle in pink. And we need to do that for a triangle, circle, star and oval. So this is my pink notebook, which is the shape of a rectangle. Okay, so I want you to count all of the different shapes. So we need to count how many pentagons there are, how many circles there are, how many diamonds there are, how many rectangles there are, how many squares there are, how many triangles there are, how many hearts there are, how many stars there are, how many heptagons there are, and how many octagons there are. Okay, so we've lots and lots of different shapes to count. Okay, so just like this, so I have wrote triangle equals 2. Okay, now let's have a look at our supermarket themed activity for today. So here we have some pictures of fruits and vegetables, and your task is to decide whether the picture belongs in the fruits basket or the vegetables basket. So is the food a fruit or a vegetable? Okay, and I'll help you now in case you are struggling, but I hope that you all know these answers. Okay, so here we have a banana, and the banana is a fruit. Here we have some corn, and corn is a vegetable. Here we have some potatoes, and the potatoes belong in the vegetables basket. Here we have some grapes, and the grapes are fruits. Here we have some peas, and the peas are vegetables. Here we have a carrot, and the carrot is a vegetable. Here we have some strawberries, and the strawberries are fruit. Here we have a lemon, and the lemon belongs in the fruit basket. Here we have celery, and the celery belongs in, and the celery is vegetables. And here we have an apple, so the apple is a fruit. Okay, and your job now is to cut the different fruits and vegetables up. So I want you to do this very carefully and follow the dotted guideline with your scissors. So you have 10 pictures of fruits and vegetables all in neat and tidy squares, and then I want you to stick that food onto the fruit or vegetable basket according to which it belongs in. So whether it is a fruit or a vegetable.